What's up guys, this is Charlie McGing. Welcome to another beautiful day in England. And today I'm going to be doing a recipe that a lot of people have been asking me about. It's my chicken curry sauce recipe, where basically it's a very high calorie recipe, so it's good for bulking. It's quite a high fat meal, but it tastes really good, and it's probably, I don't really know how more healthy that I could make this. It's really healthy, it's going to help clear up your skin, it's going to give you energy over a long period of time. The ingredients in it have very strong kind of anti-inflammatory effects and various other effects that are really good for you. And so this is going to be it. So we start with a saucepan. We're just gonna fill it up with some water. Now, the amount of water that you add in relation to the amount of coconut cream, which is we're gonna add in a bit, it's basically gonna give you the thickness of the sauce. So, I mean, you can always add more water later. So I'm putting it on max heat now. So I wanted to heat up, get it ready. And first of all, we're gonna put in spinach. So, one sec, let me just put this down. You can see that. So, gonna add a handful of spinach, big handful. So this sauce is gonna last me maybe like 3 days. I'm gonna put it in like a Tupperware pot, and then I'm gonna use it for all my meals for the next few days. So I'm making like a big batch here. So we've got the spinach in there, and then the next thing is shiitake mushrooms. So shiitake mushrooms are really good for the immune system. They're probably like the most high quality mushroom that you can get in Tesco's and Waitrose and stuff like that. So these are the ones that I recommend. I think they're quite high in vitamin E as well. So I normally take off the stalks, because if you chop out the stalks and eat them, if you eat the stalks, then they're like, seems like they don't really cook properly. They're really tough and grim. So fuck the stalks. So we're just gonna chop out the mushrooms and put that in with the spinach. Basically, I'm just gonna use as many mushrooms as possible in there without making the sauce kind of be overpowered with mushroom. We want a good balance, a good balance of flavors. So just roughly chopping up these mushrooms here. I normally do this like at the start of the day. I always do my morning prep for the rest of the day. First thing when I wake up. It's good to just get it out of the way, so then you don't have to think about food anymore. Just go through your day, do whatever you need to do, and then food is kind of taking care of itself. Someone ringing me there? I'm doing a video. Alright, so we're just going to put all of these mushrooms in. That's what it's looking like now. It's very powerfully boiling. So try and give it a stir around. Alright, I'm going to turn the heat down a bit now. Alright. To a more manageable boil. I'm saying 7.5. Okay. Right. Gonna try and make this as fast as possible. Okay. So, I actually have my rice boiling there for 25 minutes. So, oh, fuck. Okay, that'll be fine. Right, so the next bit is, this is where most of the flavor is going to come from, okay? So you've got these stock cubes. Now if you look at the ingredients in these stock cubes, okay, you can't really see the ingredients, but trust me, the ingredients are pretty good. Like everything's pretty much organic. You've just got some spices, some salt, and some like chicken flavoring. So just get one of these and let's shove it in. Okay. So it's good to just break it up so you don't get like a huge lump of flavour. It's easier to mix up and stuff. So one of them. Stir that shit. Yeah, get it in there. And then, so you can get chicken, one of these stock cubes, you can get beef, and you can get the vegetable one like this. You know, I've been doing this a long time, so I like doing weird combinations of the three. Let me just get over this. But for each one, I normally put at least 2 of these stock cubes in. Okay, and give it a stir about. Just keep stirring, stirring, stirring. We want to make sure these little stock cubes are dissolved. Right. So now we've basically got like a tasty soup of herbs and spices and stuff. So now this is going to be like the main part. So this is coconut cream. You can actually find it in Tesco, coconut, creamed coconut, I guess. Most supermarkets and stuff. But basically it's like coconut oil plus the fiber of the coconut, plus there's a bit of carbs in there as well. But it's just like, it's ridiculously high calorie, but the type of calories that it is healthy. So you've got the fiber in there. Coconut oil goes straight to the liver for processing, basically gives you energy like straight away in the bloodstream rather than your body having to convert it as much as normal fats. So there's lots of other benefits to coconut oil, antiviral, antibacterial, blah blah blah. You can research that online for yourself, or I might do a video about it. But basically this is what I use for it. Don't use this recipe if you're cutting, basically, because it's just gonna kill you with all the calories, and you're just gonna get fat. But if you're struggling to put on weight and you're trying to increase your calories, then this is perfect. This is a good healthy way to do it, rather than eating like loads of cake and shit like that. Okay, so I put half of this in, so that's 100 grams. I'm putting 100 grams of that in, and that's gonna last me like 2 days basically. Okay. Okay, in it goes. Okay, and then I'm just gonna break it up. Okay, so I'm just breaking up the coconut now. Okay, so basically the idea now, actually I'm just gonna do this I'll do it for 4 days instead. It means less cooking. Okay. So basically the idea now is just to melt coconut. As I'm doing it for 4 days now, I'm just going to add some more spices. Some more herbs and spices. Boom, boom, boom. You can get all these like big bags of spices on Amazon. It means you can get like, there it is. It means you can get like, you know, half a kilo of turmeric for like 8 quid, rather than keep on buying it for like 2 quid for like 50 grams at the supermarket. Plus you can get organic this way. That's just generally a lot better. So yeah, I'm gonna put another chicken stock cube in there because I'm doing it for 4 days now instead of 3. See how I like break it up to make sure it kind of disperses through the curry. So this is basically it. I'm just melting the coconut cream now. It's just all going in, and you can see like the consistency of it is quite thick because I put so much cream in it. So I'm just going to add some more water in there. Okay, so I know the sauce like doesn't look very appetizing, but actually when you taste it, it tastes really good because of the stock cubes basically, and the spices and stuff. Like, it works quite well together. So you just put a bit on rice. I'll kind of show you that. I'll show you that in a sec. Okay, so this is basically what it ends up looking like. It's just some brown rice, and then just like putting the sauce on the top, and that is your coconut, chicken, vegetable, healthy, bulking, mushroom, spinach, health gains curry. Okay. As you might imagine, with all the fats and stuff, this helps give you a good, like, clean energy over a long period of time. So, you know, if I'm just in off season, or, you know, I'm bulking, or, you know, even if I'm just maintaining, I'll still have this meal because I find it gives me the best energy over any meal really. So probably account that due to the fats and the fact that it's coconut and the brown rice and basically just all the vitamins and everything. So that's pretty much it, guys. There's a little close up. Okay, thanks for listening, guys. Whoa. That's pretty much it. Cheers for watching. Give it a go and see if you like it. Let me know if you do. Please post in the comments below if you do. Click like if you like this video, and I'll see you next time.